Hey, how are you all doing? In this video, we will see an interesting video generator AI tool called as Heygen. Heygen is an AI video generator that lets you create engaging business and marketing videos. No video editing skills are needed to use this tool. Simply pick an avatar, input your script, and click submit to generate your video in minutes. Heygen offers 100 plus diverse and customizable realistic avatars with lip sync capabilities in 40 plus languages. It also provides features like text to video conversion, audio uploads, multi scene videos, video sharing, and background music options. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create an avatar in your own language and then edit as you speak with a standard script. There are few steps to create an avatar as a still or from the motion pictures. So if you have a video of yourself, you can just watch the guide on how to create a video from an existing video. So I'm trying to upload a video of my avatar to generate a new video out of it. So I have gone through the video instructions and accordingly I'm going to upload a video. I'm going to upload a video from one of my existing YouTube videos. It's about 2 minutes. You need to have a video, otherwise, this will not be able to generate an avatar that you like. So it can be up to 5 minutes. So I'm uploading a video which is about 2 minutes, which is an outdoor video. So you have to choose these options to ensure that your face is visible, you are like looking directly into the cameras. I enable them, and I'm doubtful because I'm wearing a sunglass in which my eyes are not visible, but I just wanted to give a try whether this is going to work or not. So you also can use a webcam to record this, but I have uploaded. And you also have to turn on your camera because you have to give a consent about using your video. So you have to read a script like this.
Okay, so it's going to record your consent. I, Mohan Sellappa, hereby allow Heygen to use the footage of me to build a Heygen avatar for use on the Heygen platform. For safety purposes, this is a passcode FVVL.
So after reading this, your consent is recorded and it's uploading your video. It takes a while and then it says your avatar look is being created. Go ahead, click on done, and just wait for a few minutes. Your avatar is ready. And it also says that you can add multiple looks to your avatar. So you can see here it is getting ready. It says you have about 100 looks available. Now it's getting ready, and you can see here it is failed. It's because I'm not looking at the camera. And then I tried with another video, again from my old YouTube video, in which I was straightly looking at the camera, and it just created from that video, which is about more than 2 minutes, and I could see that my avatar has been created. And now when I play, I got a very beautiful lip sync.
வணக்கம் மோகன், உங்கள் இன்ஸ்டன்ட் அவட்டார் தயாராகிவிட்டது. அதனுடன் வீடியோக்களை உருவாக்கி பாருங்கள். மேலும் உங்கள் கருத்தை பகிர ஃபீட்பேக் பட்டனை அழுத்தவும். நீங்கள் ரசிக்க வேண்டும் என நம்புகிறேன்.
So this is Tamil language in which that original video was recorded, and then it has created the script by itself. Now I can create an avatar from this video, and then the script also can be customized. And I was
Hello,
really surprised
this is how I sound. Hope
to
you like
see
it.
And to hear my voice. You can create new videos out of this avatar, and you can see that.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Heygen. Simply type your script to get started.
That's the AI voice. It's not my voice. It has recorded my voice from the video, and it has created its own AI audio from the script. So I'm just giving a script like please subscribe and share. Let's see how it goes. And also you can see that there are some standard voices available. You can change that into your own AI voice, which has been already recorded. So just choose your original voice.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
So choose the file, and the original file, whatever has been given, was replaced. Now you can play it and see.
Please subscribe and share.
Yeah, now you can submit the video.
Please subscribe and share.
Just give the file name and you're almost there. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.
Please subscribe and share.